Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a clean with me of my daughter's room. I'm gonna go ahead and just voice over this whole thing. I don't know how to do the fancy music. Well, I mean, I sort of do, but I don't want to get into that today. So here I am just taking off my daughter's bedding. She just got back from vacation, so I should have really cleaned her room before she got back, but I went ahead and just decided to do it this day. So I'm just taking off her sheets and giving those a good wash. So I just got a new washing machine and I'm still trying to figure out like how to use it. There's so many different settings on here. So just trying to figure all that out. I'm thinking about changing to, I found a homemade recipe. I don't know, what do you guys use in your washing machine? Do you guys use like the standard Gain detergent or Tide or whatever? Does anyone else love watching, like since I have the new washing machine, I love watching it do its thing. Like I could go in and watch it do its cycles. So here I am just picking up boxes. I had, for some reason, some of the mail we got dumped in here. So here I am just cleaning it up and taking it out. And somehow the Christmas box ended up in her room. While she was gone, her room kind of got used as they dump everything. So yeah, so this is my first clean with me, trying something a little bit different on my channel, just to see what you guys think. I realize now that after I'm watching this footage, that some of my angles are a little off. Like I was trying to get wider angles, but my camera like won't zoom out anymore. And her room is kind of a small room, I think. I mean, it's decent sized for her, but trying to film in there is a different story. So I have this shoe organizer, which I really like. It holds a good amount of shoes, not enough for a teenage girl, but it holds all of her tennis shoes anyways. So then just cleaning up. Her desk area always accumulates all kinds of stuff. Clothes, things on the top. And after looking, it's weird, after looking at this footage, sometimes when you look at footage or, you know, something from a different perspective, I realize now that her desk is really cluttered anyways. Like, to me, it looks very cluttered when I'm all done. Like when I do the end shot, I realized that I really need to probably go in there and, like, I don't know, minimize stuff that's on her desk. So this is her laptop. We have a little case for it that we usually put away. She doesn't use her laptop every single day. So at some point I will figure out how to stop talking and insert some music, but right now this is all new to me. I just got a new video editor. I don't really know how well it's going to work, but now I'm emptying the trash. One thing I like to do as well is I like to work from left to right of the room, and for some reason I was just kind of in a hurry and also filming at the same time. I was trying to figure out angles and whatnot. So now I'm just picking stuff up off the bed. She had a few purses that we have a little organizer for. For some reason she has a lot of purses and wallets. I don't know why. But so yeah, so what I was saying is I usually like to work from left to right of the room, but for this day I was just kind of going in there and just kind of going crazy. So this is her dresser with her TV and little DVD player. I think that's a DVD player. I don't know, she never uses it. So this is the Method Wood for Good. Sorry, it's in the almond flavor. I really like this cleaner. I will say though, I only like to use it on like non-glossy wood surfaces. It smells really great. I got it from the Grove. If you're interested in any Grove collaborative products, I do have a link down below to use to get a free Miss Meyers Gift Set. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, anyways, the link is down below if you're interested in any Grove products. They have all natural and non-toxic cleaners. But I really like this, what I was saying is the Wood for Good and the almond scent, because it smells really great. But it really only works well on like these kind of surfaces for me, like my wood table, like my actual real wood table. I like a different cleaner better. I do have a Grove haul up that I just put up yesterday if you're interested in some more products and like what I like and don't like. So I'm just dusting the top of this. I usually do a more thorough dusting. I just got a new duster that I think would work better because you can get back behind the TV and whatnot, but usually I would do like back behind the TV. And I do have a Christmas tree in her room that I need to decorate. I do need to do her laundry. But one thing, I don't know if anybody else does this, but when it's time to do laundry, I don't do laundry like when I'm cleaning. To me, that's just over the top too much. So I would rather just do that and then focus on laundry later. I don't know how this got in here. This is a paper cutter that my husband had brought home from work. So I'm just fixing the cords here. There's a lot of cords down there. And then I do like to dust the tops of the pictures. So I will do that. And then also sometimes I will just hit the baseboards. I actually learned a new tip today. I don't know if any of you guys have ever used this. Obviously vacuuming. I need to also on this, I realized I needed to cut the hair out of we have a lot of hair in this house. Like both my daughter and I have long hair, so we're always shedding. I need to cut the hair out of there because there wasn't the pretty lines like I wanted. But anyways, I just learned a tip on baseboards about taking a dryer sheet and using it on the baseboard to help protect and keep like repel dust. Does anybody use that? Curious to know if that works or not. And just vacuuming. Still trying to figure out the shots, and also it looks like I need to work on my focus. So obviously this is kind of like a testing. If you guys let me know in the comments like what you think or how I can do better. This, I think I started in like the wrong room for this. Okay, so here I am putting some baking soda on the mattress. This kind of helps just like refresh. And I don't know, I do this on my couch too. Does anybody else do this? I just put baking soda and then I just vacuum it up. I don't know, I feel like it freshens it. I like this attachment on my Shark vacuum. It's the, it's also the, like, you can use this on furniture. I use it on my couch all the time. It works really well. I like it. So here I am just going over it a second time just to make sure I get all that baking soda off. It's also good to vacuum your mattress every once in a while too. And you could, I probably could have flipped her mattress as well today, but I didn't. So here are sheets all clean. Just putting them back on the bed. Just decided to flip on over. At this point I was kind of, I didn't realize like what all this entailed with the filming of this, so I was getting tired by this point, so I was just kind of like trying to throw the bed together. It was getting late and my daughter did need to go to bed, so that's what was happening here. And just jump right on back over. And I didn't wash her cover, probably about, maybe about once a month or once every second month I'll put her down comforter into the wash, and I'll wash the cover of her bed too. The duvet cover is from Potty Barn Teen. We've had that for a long time and it actually has held up really, really well. She's actually going to college next year, so we're really not like, at some point I'd love to redecorate her room, but I don't think there's any point at this time. It's kind of sad to say that that's happening, but yeah, she won't be here next year, so probably change her room into something else. So now this is her pillows, and she keeps some stuffed animals on here So she's just lint rolling them. And yeah, so this is the finished room. Just going around giving, like I said, I'm not good at the camera angles yet, but before this video ends, thank you so much for watching, and just leave some feedback down below on what you think, and I hope this inspired you maybe, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully another one. Thanks for watching.